This is the bed after it has been stripped and painted. Particularly proud of this accomplishment. This was literal trash. It was dangerous to get out of the tornado house, but a lady that was helping me out there pulled it out. I was at work, but look what can be accomplished with literal trash. This color for this is Dixie Belle chalk paint. It's sandstone, I believe. And this is silver gilding wax on the flourish here. If anyone's interested in seeing what the actual process I go through from start to finish with a piece like this, put it in the comments, and we perhaps can do some chalk painting videos or like individual antique restoration projects, you know, while we're between the big stuff with the house.